The 2025 Hummer EV3X SUV is the ultimate fusion of power, technology, and off-road dominance, redefining what an electric SUV can do. General Motors has pushed the limits of electrification, capability, and luxury, creating a machine that is both a futuristic powerhouse and a tribute to the legendary Hummer DNA. This isn't just another electric SUV, it's a statement of strength, innovation, and adventure-ready performance. Packed with 3 electric motors, the Hummer EV3X SUV produces a mind-blowing 830 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque, delivering a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.5 seconds. That's hypercar speed in an all-electric off-roader. But it's not just about straight-line performance. The 2025 Hummer EV3X is built to conquer any terrain, with its advanced Ultium battery system offering over 300 miles of range and fast-charging capabilities that get you back on the road in minutes. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Hummer EV3X SUV commands attention. Its bold, boxy stance, signature LED grille, and aggressive front fascia make it unmistakably Hummer, while the moonshot green exterior option adds a futuristic edge. The massive 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory tires come standard, ensuring superior traction on rocky trails, muddy paths, and even deep snow. The adaptive air suspension allows the vehicle to adjust its ride height for improved ground clearance, while the Extract mode raises the SUV by 6 inches, helping it tackle even the most extreme obstacles. And let's not forget CrabWalk mode, an industry-first feature that allows the Hummer to move diagonally, making tight off-road maneuvers effortless. This is not just a vehicle, it's a technological marvel built for adventure. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with rugged utility. The interior is a masterpiece of premium materials, cutting-edge tech, and driver-focused design. The large 13.4-inch infotainment screen and 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster deliver real-time data, navigation, and off-road performance metrics with stunning clarity. The high-end leather seats with contrast stitching provide exceptional comfort, while the open-air experience with removable infinity roof panels takes driving excitement to a whole new level. The Hummer's interior is not just about aesthetics, it's designed to be functional and intuitive, with physical buttons for crucial off-road features, ensuring that drivers can focus on the trail ahead. And for audiophiles, the Bose 14-speaker surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, making every journey epic. When it comes to off-road dominance, the 2025 Hummer EV3X SUV is in a league of its own. The Watts to Freedom (WTF) mode unleashes full acceleration potential, turning this beast into a silent rocket. The underbody armor and skid plates protect vital components from rough terrain, while the full-time 4WD system with torque vectoring ensures maximum grip on any surface. Whether you're climbing steep rock faces, navigating through deep sand, or powering through the wilderness, this electric off-road monster never backs down. And with GM's latest Super Cruise technology, the Hummer EV3X also offers hands-free driving on mapped highways, making long road trips more effortless than ever. As the automotive world shifts towards electrification, the Hummer EV3X SUV stands as proof that power, performance, and adventure don't have to be sacrificed. It's a zero-emissions vehicle with the heart of an off-road warrior, blending the best of modern EV technology with classic Hummer toughness. Whether you're a hardcore off-road enthusiast or someone looking for the boldest, most high-tech electric SUV on the market, this is the ultimate choice. With its unstoppable power, futuristic design, and mind-blowing features, the 2025 Hummer EV3X SUV is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution. Auto Igniters brings you the most exciting machines in the world, and this is one EV that refuses to compromise. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more insane automotive content. The future of off-roading is here, are you ready?